In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up Google Sheets with large datasets. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. If your spreadsheets feel sluggish, the fastest wins usually come from tidying your data layout and trimming the amount of worksheets has to do. Start by cleaning up unused space. Delete extra empty rows and columns that stretch beyond your actual table. Google Sheets evaluates everything within the perceived data range, so shrinking that range immediately reduces background calculation. Next, be precise with your references. Instead of using open ranges like A, set closed ranges such as A1, A1000. Open ranges force sheets to check thousands of empty cells. Closed ranges keep the workload tight and predictable. If your data is truly massive, split it into logical chunks across multiple sheets or even separate files. Anything you only need for historical reference is a good candidate for archiving in its own spreadsheet. Also, whenever possible, reference data on the same sheet rather than pulling it from other files. Functions like importrange are powerful but can be slower than local references. And if you're consistently working with hundreds of thousands of rows, consider whether a proper database like BigQuery is a better long-term home for the data, with Sheets used as the lightweight front end. On the formulas side, lock in results that don't need to change. Copy the cells, then use paste special right-pointing arrow values only, or press Ctrl plus Shift plus V on a PC or CMD plus Shift plus V on a Mac. This converts formulas into static values and removes ongoing recalculation. Break complex logic into helper columns rather than stacking everything inside one huge formula. The sheet will recalculate more efficiently and it's easier to troubleshoot. Be careful with volatile functions such as today, now, and rand. They recalc on every edit, so use them sparingly or only where the dynamic behavior is truly necessary. For summarizing large datasets, lean on query or pivot tables instead of building many overlapping sumifs or countifs. And where it fits, use a single ARRAYFORMULA at the top of a column to process all rows, rather than repeating the same formula thousands of times. Finally, trim visual and external overhead. Limit conditional formatting to the smallest meaningful range, like a dashboard or summary sheet, instead of the entire raw data table. Disable any add-ons you aren't actively using, as they consume memory. And give your browser a hand. Keep it updated and close unnecessary tabs or programs to free up RAM. Follow these practices and your large Google Sheets should feel noticeably faster, more stable, and easier to manage. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.